Hey, good morning everyone. Just a quick update here. So it's April 10, 2025, and it's gonna start warming up. As you can see, it's still cold. So what I'm doing here, I'm prepping to do some milling tomorrow. However, this ground is gonna warm up today and it's gonna unfreeze and it's gonna turn to mud. So I decided to come down early. It was about 19 degrees last night, and harvest some logs here so that I can put them over in that pile down there and then mill them up tomorrow. And I don't know if you can see it or not here, but through those woods is going to be a sauna. So that's what we're doing. And stay tuned because we'll do some videos on making the sauna. It's going to be kind of cool. So always be planting. And please, please, please get me up to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.